As a leading cabinetry manufacturer, Bk Ciandre, equipped with world's leading German Homag fully automatic CNC panel, saw an advanced production line from Germany and Italy. The equipment adopts the most professional and latest Internet of Things control system in the customized cabinet industry. Through data network transmission, all panels will generate corresponding identification codes, and the machine can complete automatic identification, thus realizing accurate positioning under program control, and completing the panel pushing and cutting. The overall performance is stable, and the errors small, greatly improving the accuracy of the panel, effectively controlling the edge burst rate of the panel, improving the utilization rate and solving the problems of panel loss and the like.